A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let's review a 10-item practice test, set 8A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Before starting a business, one should have a clear idea, sometimes called A. Script of the project. B. Details of the project. C. Market feasibility. D. Rationale. If a drawing is generally made without the aid of drawing instruments and straight edges, then it is classified as A. Freehand drawing. B. Isometric drawing. C. Orthographic drawing. D. Axonometric drawing. One of the following is used for the fine cutting and for making delicate wood joints. A. Back saw. B. Keyhole saw. C. Compass saw. D. Turning saw. A nail is an essential material in putting in place a piece of wood. To drive or pull a nail, the right tool for the job is A. Ball peen hammer. B. Cross peen hammer. C. Claw hammer. D. Mallet. It comes in a metal or plastic case, with a cotton line coming out of one end and is used in drawing a straight line. A. Brushes. B. Jointers. C. Steel square. D. Chalk line. The financial record that tells you how much your business is worth is the A. Cash flow report. B. Income statement. C. Cash report. D. Balance statement. Selling goods, merchandise, and stocks are examples of A. Current assets. B. Property, plant, and equipment. C. Furniture and fixture. D. Notes receivables. Financial statements may be used for different purposes except by A. Vendors who extend credit to a business require financial statements to assess the creditworthiness of the business. B. Government entities do not need financial statements to ascertain the propriety and accuracy of taxes and other duties declared and paid by a company. C. Financial institutions use them to decide whether to grant a company fresh working capital or extend debt securities to finance expansion and other significant expenditures. D. Owners and managers require financial statements to make important business decisions that affect its continued operation. This is a tool for removing solder when desoldering a joint to correct a mistake or replace a component. A. Copper braid. B. Desoldering pump. C. Reel of solder. D. Solder sucker. Note, desoldering pump and solder sucker are often interchangeable terms. This tool can also be used to clean strip board where the copper tracks have become dull and tarnished. A. Heat sucker. B. PCB rubber. C. Track cutter. D. Wire strippers. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.